Living in Greeley, our city gets stereotyped as being, well, smelly, but there's a lot more to the story than meets the nose.
My freshman year when I first came here, my friend, he's been living here his entire life. Anytime I was saying, oh, it smells bad, he punches me on the arm and he's like, no, it smells like money, man.
And smells like money indeed. There are over 60 feedlots in the Greeley area alone, and the odor experienced comes from these feedlots outside of the city limits. But Greeley has been aggressive in fighting this odor. Along with the enforcement of the first odor regulations in 1987 came the introduction of the odor hotline. I talked on the phone with Karen Scopel, the code enforcement manager of Greeley, about the effects of this hotline. Karen says that with the introduction of the hotline, 400 calls were being reported each year. In 2015, only 14 were made. Interestingly enough, complaints spike in late spring and early summer because of the increased moisture and unclean feedlots. But this definition of Greeley goes far deeper than just a stereotype.
Well, actually in sign language, because I've been doing sign language for so long, this name for Greeley is actually this. So it's pretty funny that's such a huge thing when there's so much more to Greeley.
And if you smell a bad odor and want to report it, the odor hotline number is 970-350-9831. Reporting from the University of Northern Colorado, I'm Michaela Lander, Bear News.